Finally rain. I can't believe it. It's been forever. I don't have to water the garden today. Peas and everything are going to be happy. And my hollyhocks. And the fuchsia that's way over there. What else is going on? Hi, Doc! Garden. Not giving you any water today. Duck, what do you think? It's looking good, eh? Let's go see the big ducks. See? Look, rain. There's about an inch of water in the pond, which is nice. Banana trees. Banana trees are awesome. All right. Hi, big ducks. What do you think, gang? It's pretty great, eh? Hi, baby. Hi, Mama. Oh, listen to the turkeys. They're so silly today. Oh, hi, dog. Hello. Look out, everybody. Okay, what else have we got to show you? I put these little fences up because the ducks just love to get in there and eat all my flowers. My bumblebee and butterfly flowers. Hey guys, what do you think? You want to go out? You want to go out and get some wet grass? Okay, hold on. I have to put the dog in first. Hi chicken, hi chicken. I know you're not crazy about it. Baby duck, hello, hello. What do you think, baby duck? You guys doing okay? You alright? Look at your funny hair. Okay. We're good to go. Hey, Hattie. Say goodbye, Hattie. Goodbye.